starting with the competition.
Are we allowed to?
I guess so. We are kickstarting the Eurovision party early with one of Delta's biggest rivals. They are live in studio today with us, Sunday, the 29th of March, 2026. Welcome back. Well, it's the world's biggest singing competition, and in under 2 months, Delta Goodrem will be carrying the hopes of our nation when she takes to the Eurovision stage.
One person who will be looking to deny an Aussie win is Malta's AIDAN, and I'm thrilled to say he joins us live in studio. Big round of applause, please. AIDAN, welcome to Australia.
Thank you.
Your first trip down under, and you're also the first Maltese contestant to head down under. So tell us, how do the Aussie audiences compare?
Amazing. It's my first time here in Australia. And I'm actually the first Eurovision artist to be here before the contest. So it feels so amazing. I've had 2 shows in Melbourne and 2 shows yesterday here in Sydney. The audience is just great. I'm loving it so far. It's so sad I'm leaving today.
Oh my goodness, that is a whirlwind trip.
Yeah, 28 hours of flight.
Oh my goodness.
Just to get here.
Well, if Delta doesn't win and you do win, we will claim a win for Australia.
That's what we like to do.
Yeah.
Hey, AIDAN, you are also, as I understand it, bringing the Maltese language back to Eurovision. Can you tell us a little bit about your song, Bella?
Yeah, so my song's called Bella. It's a very, very romantic song, very classic song, reminiscent of the 1950s, 1960s, a bit of Frank Sinatra in there.
Yes, I can hear that.
And finally, Malta will get the Maltese language back to Eurovision after 54 years. Yeah. We're the most country with a lot of participations without a win. So there is some pressure going on. But yeah.
I feel like you'll eat that pressure up. And is Frankie Blue Eyes, was he a bit of an idol of yours, like that style of music and those crooners? Did you love that?
Yeah, I mean, I grew up listening to soul music, to blues, to jazz, Nina Simone, Frank Sinatra, Etta James. So it shaped me to who I am today.
Now, AIDAN, I understand that you got to meet Delta, our representative in Eurovision this year. You met her in Oslo, and she got married in Malta, I believe.
Yeah.
Her husband is Maltese. What was it like meeting her?
She's so sweet, the sweetest person, the sweetest person. We met during her sound check, actually. She was doing her rehearsal for this Eurovision pre-party in Norway. And of course, we talked about her wedding in Malta. So she visits like every year or every 2 years. And it's so incredible that we get to do this together at Eurovision in Vienna.
Yeah, I understand that you're one of her heroes, so I'm sure it was a big moment for Delta to be able to meet you. And you're a busy bloke, right? You've just released a new album the past week, Cowboys Don't Cry. Some of them do, let me just tell you. But do you ever sleep, mate? You never, ever stop.
We don't sleep. We don't sleep. Sleep is for the weak. I mean, Eurovision is a childhood dream for me. So I wanted to do everything as right as possible. Cowboys Don't Cry is my second studio album.
Yep.
Very different from my first one, which was released 3 years ago. I feel like this is much more myself. It goes hand in hand with my Eurovision song, Bella. It's very organic, very romantic album.
Wonderful.
And yeah, it's all very exciting. I got this just for you guys.
Oh, we love that.
Thank you.
All the way from Malta.
Wonderful. Well, AIDAN, we look forward to cheering you on and Delta on, of course, at Eurovision. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks so much. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you, AIDAN. Stay with us. We'll be back right after this.